Hi, I'm Amy, and I'm answering the question, how do I change the batteries for my thermostat? Once you've removed it from the wall, you can now flip it over so that it looks like this. If you carefully look, there is a spring on one end of every battery. Each spring will help you remove the battery. With the spring in mind, we will now push from the opposite end, so we'll push down and lift up, and we'll do that to all the other batteries. In this instance, we'll push up and lift up to release that one, and you'll do that for all of them. You can now go ahead and install our new batteries, but this time we will actually push towards the spring and push down. Push towards the spring and go down. And you'll do that for the other two as well. Now that you've put new batteries in your thermostat, before you put it back on the wall, you will want to turn it around and make sure that it's working before you do so. Now that you see a display there, it is now safe to put back on the wall. You have now successfully replaced the batteries in your thermostat. Thank you for watching us at TELUS.